We feel increasingly controlled by machines. We see their efficiency as a threat to what's ours. We've treated them as the enemy with whom we have to fight. Well, actually, they're here to help, so why not work hand in hand? That's Ancora's mission, uniting man and machine using phones to improve the flow on the work floor. Let's check out how. This is Laura, who customized her new car to convey her personal sense of style. She's confirming her selection at the dealership. Signed, sent, done. Laura can start daydreaming already. Oh, let's see what's going on. In a factory where workers are constantly on the move, we need the decisions to be taking as close to the staff as possible to minimize their learning curve. Luckily, edge computing streamlines all orders over a confined connection, efficiently cutting costs. Here's Bob. He's too cool to carry keys. He's picking up the car's parts, which, thanks to his phone being connected to the mapping, are already in the right order. Smooth. Wait, Bob, where are you going? Ah, I see. You're placing your smartphone on the stand to get a helping hand ordering all the parts. Surprise! Laura's ordered a last-minute addition. No problem. Bob will 3D print her accessory right away. Ah, Laura clearly cares about details. Are you okay, Bob? Great. Meanwhile, Dylan's been notified to come pick up the package. We're now in the loading zone. Dylan, you look super stylish. He's placing the package in its perfect spot. See you later, Laura's new ride. Let's repeat some steps, but in reverse. Alan unloads the parts in the optimal order and place for assembly, making it a piece of cake. Cook the car at medium heat, and that's all. A complex process made simple and quick thanks to the technology of Ancora. So now, machines and humans work together, helping Lauras everywhere drive their dream cars in no time.